Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. This week we are going to show how to do the trendy Korean blush nails that have taken Instagram by a storm. To start with, we will need a pale pink polish which is closest in color to your natural skin tone. Remember, the idea behind a traditional blush nail is to look like your nails have a healthy flush of color, so keep this in mind when you choose your shade. Once you've applied a coat of the base color, you need to take a sponge and with a method similar to while you're doing ombre nails, dab a bit of a darker pink color in the center and then surround it with your base color. Dab the sponge lightly on your nail. You may have to do this at least 2 to 3 times to get the perfect look. Repeat this step for each of your nails. And then seal it all in with a glossy top coat. You can try this one from Moraz from our website. The link is in the description below. Tried another take on the Korean blush nails, a darker version. So if pink is not your color, perhaps this is. Start with a black base polish. The center of the blush color we've picked pink, but you can go with any other color as well. Repeat the same steps that were done previously, that is, on the sponge applicator, put the blush color in the center and surround it with the base color. Dab it on your nails and repeat it at least 2 to 3 times to get a clean look. Complete this with a top coat. And that's it. Wasn't that really easy? If you do try this nail art, don't forget to tag us on Instagram or YouTube. Love to check it out. See you next week.